Let's use Vietnam rice paper to make air-fried, purple sweet potato spring rolls. This dessert is easy to make, not cooking oil on grill plate or paper. Arrange sweet potatoes spring rolls nicely and avoid sticking together. Air fryer purple sweet potatoes spring rolls is done. Smells so good. The fragrant purple potato rolls are soft, glutinous, sweet, and not greasy. They are really delicious. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Follow my channel so you may refer to the recipes in the future anytime you like. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Do share out this delicious recipe with friends and family, yeah. I like easy recipe because I believe that delicious food must be simple and quick to prepare. After all, there are so many things going on every day, right? I often use the same ingredients for variations, suitable for small families to cook with one ingredient, come up with 2 or even 3 different dishes. Edible rice paper is used for making gi khun or gi in Vietnamese cuisine, where the rice paper is called bnh ter eng or bnh-nem. Ingredients of the food rice paper include white rice flour, tapioca flour, salt, and water. The tapioca powder makes the rice paper glutinous and smooth. Replacing high-calorie refined flour with rice paper can help you enjoy the spring rolls without feeling guilty. Including rice paper rolls in your diet is a healthy choice, as the thin sheets won't make you sleepy or feel heavy on the tummy. It works great with lunch snacks or even on-the-go meal preps. Purple sweet potatoes are a good source of beta-carotene, but are an even richer source of anthocyanin pigments, which act as antioxidants that can help reduce inflammation and boost your immune system. Purple sweet potatoes have about 3 times more anthocyanins than the average blueberry. Research in the journal Food and Function discovered that the higher level of antioxidants in these dark-hued tubers may be related to a lower glycemic index. Although sweet potatoes of all colors have more sugar, they're actually considered low on the glycemic index scale compared to regular white potatoes. There are more delicious sweet potatoes recipes in my channel. Do check them all. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, ya.